In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a path in Google Earth Pro. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your map, then you want to go to the top here and click on this button which says Add Path when you hover over it. So click on that, and then from here you can start by clicking where you want your path to be. So for example, I'm going to pretend there's like a path over here. I'm just going to keep on clicking with my left mouse button, and as you can see, as I click with my left mouse button, these kind of points are getting added, okay? And now whenever I'm done, I can just basically click on over here and basically change the name. So I'm just going to name this one path tutorial, and of course you can give a description. This is a sample path is what I'm going to write. You can change the style and color, so you can color it whatever you want. I'm just going to put it in yellow like this. Okay, there we go. You have the view, altitude, measurements. You can change this if you wanna, then click on OK, and there we go. You have yourself a path over here on your map. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.